Hello and welcome to Voyager RV YouTube. We have this incredible unit. It is the 2023 Grand Design Solitude 380FL. Our goal here is to show you a little bit more on the outside of the unit. It is massive. Here we're pretty much under the master bedroom and the bathroom, and there is so much storage here. You can store your winter clothes, your summer clothes, you're camping for every season. There's just so much space, and so we just wanted to be able to show that off a little bit more in a YouTube video, as you got to keep things short for TikTok. And yeah, you can see all the way through the storage space from every angle, from every side, and I really enjoyed being able to do that, walk around the unit. Just really quick, here is your kind of outdoor shower spot, your control hookups, your water filters, a little more storage for you there, and here is our auto leveling. It's got like 6 points of auto leveling, which is incredible. And now we're going to take a look at the inside. My favorite part. Here we go. In the inside here, we've got these three incredibly comfortable couches. The two across from each other on the left and right there, right and left. They both fold into beds. So you have two beds up there that can sleep 4 people. And that fireplace keeps you nice and toasty warm. As you can see, that TV does drop down into the unit there. We have a residential sized fridge, massive, lots of storage for all the food for you and all your friends. I want to check out the, oh, here we go. Look at all the cabinet space, storage space for everything. If you want to pause here, you can take a moment, kind of screenshot or pause. This is everything that you kind of find on the website. We'll have the link in the description, so that'll all be there as well. This oven, this oven's big enough to cook a turkey in. So that's going to be exciting. I think one of these days we're excited to do a little cooking show. Maybe it'll be in this unit. Look at that pantry. Absolutely amazing. There are LED lights in there that light it up. And here is the extra bathroom. An extra bathroom. Yeah, why not? And that's awesome. So you don't have to go into the master suite, and that makes life a little bit simpler. Here we are at the dining space. That is a solid table, like rock solid. It's not going anywhere, so it's pretty cool. We're just checking out all the storage space for the master bedroom here. I didn't see these drawers on the first pass, so I'm just checking out these drawers for the first time for me. Those drawers are awesome. Master bedroom has a king-size bed. Got some charging ports over there and power. Charging ports and power, so you can always keep yourself charged up. Awesome smart TV. Tons of storage for his and her. And now we are in the shower. I wanted to spend lots of time on the shower because look at it. It's got 4 shower heads, right? Like, what RV unit has 4 shower heads? That's a tutorial I need. And here we go. The his and her sinks. The vanity, it is gorgeous. This bathroom is probably my favorite bathroom I've ever seen in an RV. It's better than my bathroom. And here we go with the storage closet, but it can also be a washer dryer hookup there. Yeah, just one more time with the shower, just because I love that place so much. You've seen the whole unit, you've seen the outside, you've seen the inside. Just gonna speed and head back to my favorite spot where I want to shoot a podcast someday, right here. Thank you so much.